Okay. In this video, we're going to show you how you can launch your website for free, how you can host your website for free. The other previous video, we talked about hosting your website where it requires you buying a custom domain name, which is unique to your business, and your personal hosting account. But let's say you're still under the practice level, you're still practicing this building website with AI. You're not yet ready to deploy the website in the sense of buying custom domain name and hosting, and you really want to host your website so that people from afar can still access your website through a URL, through a domain name. There is the option of doing this. Yes, there's available option and you can use to host your website free of charge just for practice purposes. So because it's going to be coming with subdomain, it's not going to be coming exactly like a single domain like this. This is a custom domain, Netlify, yes, Netlify, or say savefry.com. So it must be attached to something. That's what it means to say a subdomain. And anything like that is not professional. So it's just like living in another person's attachment, using another person's property until you are free and ready to start using your own. So that is just how this free hosting is like. So to host your website, there are many platforms you can use to host your website for free, for temporary stuff, or for just project practice, project preview, and all that. Some of them is GitHub, you have Netlify, so we'll be using, and many, there are many of them anyway. So I'll be introducing you to them um, one after another in the course of this course. So the first one we're using here is the Netlify. So let's use this as a first example. So you have to go to Netlify, as you can see here, netlify.com. When you go there, you have to sign up. You go sign up. It is as easy as anything. Just straightforward. Sign up. Once you sign up, okay. So you sign up. You can use your email to sign up, or just start with Google. So you can sign up with any of this. And say, let's sign up with Google account. So click there, sign up with Google account. Click here, sign up with Google account. So we are signing up with Google account, with our Google account. So this is our Netlify account. We've been able to create account and we've signed up. So it's loading. The next thing we're going to be doing is to upload that our project. We're going to be uploading that our project. And once you upload that, it's going to be hosted automatically. There is no much story around it. So you can just fill anything, say as this, or let's say you just put 5 minutes. Yeah, let's put 5 minutes. Okay, so you can say personal, how do you want to use this? You can say intermediate, you can select a beginner if you are a beginner, you can select anyone that matches your okay, personal project, marketer. How did you hear about just choosing one? Someone told you or AI coding tools, anyone. Okay, name your project team. If you have a project team, you can name. If you want, continue to deploy. So you are just setting up your account. You can just skip all these things, skip for now. Yeah, skip everything. So this is our interface. You have different options to deploy your project in this Netlify, either through GitHub, you have GitLab, you have Bitbucket, you have Azure DevOps and all that. So these are options, and some of these platforms are where you can also host your website for free. So, but here the option we'll be using is to upload our file, that folder we created that contains all the website files in it. So GitHub, let's say we hosted on GitHub, you can just connect it here and it will be hosted here as well. But we did host any of our websites on GitHub, so we're going to be choosing and selecting that folder. As you can see here, upload your project. So these are options you can use to host your website. Either this or this or this, or you upload the files. These ones are if you have hosted in any of these platforms, then you can reconnect them here. But here we have not hosted them to any, so you can upload the website files directly. So we're going to upload the whole folder that contains the file. You can see here, browse files to upload or choose a folder. So we're going to click on choose a folder. It will take us to our computer storage. Then we search for where the folder is. If you still remember the name of the folder, is save right, as you can see here. This is save right. So click on save right, then open. It's telling you this will upload all files from save right. Only do this if you trust the site. Yes. I want to be able to preview my site through a URL, through a web address for free. Okay, so we have uploaded. Once you upload, it's going to be coming with a default URL, as you can see here. You can edit it very well to be shorter. Edit the URL to your choice, but it must be a domain. Any name you give it is going to be coming Netlify. So it's going to be coming as Netlify. That name you are giving. So click on quick setup. Name it according to your website or according to your project. So it is we are going to say save right. That's the name we're going to be giving it. So our web URL is going to be like this: https://saveride.netlify.com. So anybody you copy this thing and share, tell the person, oh, view the website I just designed, is going to be seen at your website. So you update, click on update project to see if this name is still available. If it's not available, it's going to tell you no available. You can see it. This project name is taken already, and that person has taken the project name. So you can just modify it anyhow to see if this one will be available. Save right with double E at the end. Okay, let's see. It's taken also. Let's also add double I and see if that one is available. Perfect. Updated. So that one is available. So this one is advertising to you. You should add a custom domain. I've told you what a custom domain is. A custom domain is like jumia.com.ng. So it does not have anything like market.jumia.com. So that's a subdomain. Okay, so this one you are getting is a subdomain. It's going to be coming as a subdomain. So every business does not come as a subdomain. Every professional business does not have their website as a subdomain. Okay, so you can say finish later. This is just a kind of advert telling you to buy a custom domain, say password and all that. So you can say finish later, or you just click on this place to return to your home. Okay, where we're going to be finding our project, just come here, click here. Once you click there, you are going to click on projects. Then you will see all the projects you have uploaded. So this is the first one you uploaded. You can open it by clicking on it. Then this is the address. Copy the address and confirm whether it's your website. Paste it on your browser and search. This is our website. So copy this and share to anybody. Tell the person I built this website myself using AI. So you can just click directly. It will still open as well. So this is exactly the simple means of way you can just host your website for free, giving you a domain which is a subdomain, saveride.netlify.com. So it's being attached to the domain of the platform you're using, which is Netlify. That is what a subdomain means. The domain will be attached to the platform you're using. So, but say you have a custom domain now, it's going to be saveride.com, which is the normal way a business site is supposed to be. So this is exactly how you can host your website. So this, you no more need to have your website files in your computer before you can access the website, and anybody can now access your website from any part of the world as long as this website, the platform you hosted